Today we present celery leaves with peanuts salad. If you bought fresh peanuts with shelf, start by removing the shelf. Remove the nuts from the fresh peanuts.
Yeah, remove the shells. Keep this red one.
Keep the
Yeah, red. There's a red one. Okay.
keep the red skin of the
Yeah.
peanuts intact,
Because
but
this,
remove the outer shelf. Outer shelf, the rough part.
yeah. See like this.
That is the removed outer shell. But remember to maintain the skin. The skin contains all the nourishments of the peanuts.
Yeah.
You soak the raw peanuts in water.
Because we are going to use tomorrow.
Overnight soaking will make them softer
Yeah.
and then easy to boil.
Then put one star.
Add Chinese star spices and Sichuan pepper.
I'll put one leaf.
One bay leaf.
Yeah.
Also add one stick cinnamon
Yeah.
into the water before boiling.
Like
Put
this.
those ingredients
Yeah.
before boiling, not after boiling. When you are soaking in water, add
Little salt.
those ingredients
Yeah.
and a pinch of salt.
Yeah. Then can go inside. Like this. Keep for tomorrow. Tomorrow morning I will boil until it is soft. Then I will make a salad with celery leaves.
Boil it and then make salad.
Yeah. Tomorrow morning I soak.
It has
now.
been soaked overnight, and now we start boiling it as it is. This is celery leaves. Wash before cutting. Washed celery leaves, fresh. Now cut celery leaves about 1-inch size pieces. Now boil some water, add bit of salt,
Oil
Add-
color.
a little bit of oil which retains the green color of celery leaves. Peel off a carrot, wash it, and then slice it. Now
Slice.
strip cutting. Add into the bowl of celery leaves. Peanuts is being boiling for last 10 minutes already. The water is boiling. Add the carrot and the celery leaves mixture in that.
To make it
This
soft.
is for making them softer, and it will not be boiling for a long time, just a little time, so that it becomes softer but retains its color and the texture. It is important that carrots are added before and celery leaves later, as it is very softer already. Carrots need to be softer because it is more
Takes
stronger.
time.
Takes time to become softer. So that's why you add carrots before. In 2 minutes, carrots are softer. Now add celery leaves. This is just for a moment only. Add light soy sauce into a small bowl. Add a pinch of salt. Boiling for about a minute. Now strain the water
color.
out.
Still maintain.
Normal water for rinsing. You can see the carrots and the celery have retained their colors, original colors. Now take out both and add into a bowl. A salad bowl. Crush about 5 garlic cloves. Chop garlic.
Yeah. I don't put it.
Add a bit of sesame oil.
Some people put just chili flake oil, you know. They put chili
You
flake.
can add other additives such as chili oil.
Yeah, because
or
this
creams.
I put a little chili
Now this is
flake
chili flakes.
because I cannot eat a chili.
Red chili flakes
Yeah,
are added.
when this one comes,
Many other additives can be put according to your taste, to desired taste, like creams or sauces. That all depends on the taste you wish to have. Adding soda makes them softer fast. Now the peanuts are softer, boiled properly. Add it into the salad bowl. Drain the water off. Remove the unnecessary ingredients and put it into the bowl. The pre-mixed sauce mixer and then stir. Looks delicious. Very nourishing, very healthy. It is.
celery leaf reduce high blood pressure, and the peanut with a long life.
You heard what are the benefits, health benefits. Excellent. I love it. I hope you too enjoy it with your family. They will thank you.
Now you want to make a
Thanks for watching. That is the completed dish.